Hello Sagittarius, my name is Yashika. I am a professional tarot card reader and a spiritual counselor. And today I have a reading for you for the months of October, November, December, rest of 2024. Before I begin this session, this reading, I want to tell you कि अगर आप मेरे पास YouTube के थ्रू आएंगे, Instagram, WhatsApp कहीं पर भी, then you will receive a discount on all my readings. Thank you so much. Now without further ado, let's begin. So for the month of October, Sagittarius, I have the moon in reverse. So I think that in the first week of October, शायद आपको किसी ना किसी चीज़ की realization हुई है या फिर you are coming to terms with certain things कि okay, maybe this is not supposed to be for me. Maybe वो इंसान मेरे लिए नहीं है. Maybe वो career path मेरे लिए नहीं है. Because I feel that आपकी ego का एक part टूट रहा है and that's actually very good. I actually love it when the ego dies a little bit. So, and I also have the Seven of Wands. So finally, I feel like you are in this energy of surrendering. In the month of October, I love this thing for you, Sagittarius. आप एक surrendering वाली energy में होगे and ये चीज़ अच्छी इसीलिए है because when we are in the energy of surrendering, we are always open. हम कभी अपने अंदर के गेट्स बंद नहीं करते. We are always open. We allow the air, the pran vayu to flow through very easily, and that's something that's brilliant. I also have the Nine of Swords in reverse. So I feel like finally you are not thinking about, in the month of October, you won't be thinking about what other people will say. आप किसी भी टाइप के करियर में हो, किसी भी टाइप से मनी कमाते हो, किसी भी इंसान को प्यार करते हो, या फिर आप सिंगल हो, या फिर आपकी जो प्रेफरेंसेस हैं लाइफ में, फाइनली आई थिंक यू आर कमिंग टू टर्म्स विद द फैक्ट कि आई डोंट केयर. सो फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, अगर आप एक कंटेंट क्रिएटर हो तो आप अब इस चीज़ के पीछे नहीं भागो कि ओके आई हैव टू फॉलो द ट्रेंड्स, मुझे एल्गोरिदम के पीछे जाना है या फिर मुझे ये करना है, आई हैव टू फॉलो व्हाट अदर पीपल आर डूइंग. नो, you are going to focus on your creativity. You are going to focus on what you want to do instead of what other people want from you. Because हम जब अपनी कम्युनिटी बिल्ड करते हैं तो ऐसे ही बिल्ड करते हैं कि आपकी वैल्यूज़ क्या है and what you feel is right is right. Obviously जब हम सरेंडर करते हैं, हम एक काम एनर्जी में आते हैं, then we are also in this energy of patience. And I feel like yes, that is something that you have been needing the most. Patience की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत थी आप लोगों को पिछले 3-4 महीने से. And finally Sagittarius, in the month of October, you are having that kind of patience. I also have the Five of Swords in reverse. So I do see कि आप अगर आपके सामने लोग आके पागलबंदी करेंगे या फिर आपको एक्यूज़ करेंगे या फिर आपको फालतू में ज़बरदस्ती ड्रामा में ड्रैग करने की कोशिश करेंगे, ट्रस्ट मी, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी फेस्ड बाय दैट इवन अ लिटिल बिट. आपको इन द मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर आई फील लाइक यू आर गोइंग टू बी वेरी ओके, आई डोंट केयर व्हाट यू वांट टू डू, just don't bother me. I feel like that is the kind of the best energy you can be in because that shows कि आप अपनी authenticity से कितना ज़्यादा connected हो. I also have the Page of Cups in reverse, the Five of Cups and the Devil. So देखो, हो सकता है that in the month of October you will realize that certain things are not good for you. Maybe you have been taking certain people, certain mindsets, or certain, not mindsets, but maybe your health, for example, maybe you have been taking it very for granted, and October is going to be like a wake up call कि okay, the dream is over, get up, get your ass back on the treadmill. And something like that. I feel like in the month of October you are going to be pushed out of your comfort zone a little bit, but that's good. That is good. You are supposed to leave that kind of comfort zone to grow, which you want to do. And for you, for the month of October, Eight of Pentacles in reverse, I think that you might struggle with should I work or not, या फिर I don't want to work, मुझे बहुत lazy feel हो रहा है. You might face laziness a lot in the month of October. And I have the Nine of Cups in reverse as well. तो ये देखो, if you are being very very lazy in the month of October, and if you are not working, if you are not doing anything, you are going to feel useless, you're going to feel worthless. And work is very important for you, whether you want to do it or not. Work is important. Work is something that keeps your mind still. Work is something that you really really enjoy. Your work is something that you enjoy specifically. So if you work, you are going to feel better. If you work, you are also going to see that what's happening right now or what has happened in the past, it doesn't matter. What matters is the present moment and what kind of future you can see for yourself. So Sagittarius, now let's come to your November. What's going on for you? Alright, for November, I have the King of Cups in reverse and Queen of Wands. What did I say? You are going to stop listening to other people and you are going to focus on more creativity. I think that even if you are working as an artist, for example, a hairdresser, you might want to do things your way. You might want to open your own salon, and you salon, I don't know. So you might want to do those kinds of things. You want to be the leader in the month of November, and you will be given opportunities where you have to be the leader. I think that don't listen to others in the month of November. Surprisingly, this thing also came for Scorpio. Don't listen to others, listen to yourself in the month of November, because see the death here, November May, there you will be going through a transformation, और आप इस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन से बहुत अच्छे से वाकिफ़ हो गए. यू विल सी, यू विल फील, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि येस आई एम गोइंग थ्रू अ ट्रांजिशन, बट ये वाला ट्रांजिशन बहुत ज़रूरी है मेरे लिए, ताकि मैं फ्यूचर में कुछ अच्छा कर पाऊँ, कुछ बड़ा कर पाऊँ. जो भी मैं अपने आप को एनविजन करता हूँ या करती हूँ अपने फ्यूचर में, दिस ट्रांजिशन इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर दैट. सो आई ऑल्सो हैव द 6 of Wands, एंड यू नो ये ट्रांजिशन आपके लिए पेनफुल नहीं होगा. अदर पीपल विल थिंक दैट ओके यू माइट बी स्ट्रगलिंग, बट your mindset is going to be so good, so positive for that transition. 6 of Wands, you are going to come out victorious. You are going to come out with so much of clarity and so much of pride in yourself ki wow, I didn't think that I was capable of something like that. I feel like in the month of November you are going to have a creative victory. Now this could be in your business, in your work. If you are a content creator, it could be a victory. For that you might gain some kind of recognition in the month of November. And I also have the 5 of Wands in reverse. The more you listen to other people, the more your mind will get clogged, because people will only fill your mind with pollution. That's it. Also I feel that if you are watching a lot of social media, if अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा ही scroll कर रहे हो, binge watching कर रहे हो, stop doing that. Stop. I cannot emphasize on that enough. वो चीज़ आपको बंद करनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि when we over consume social media, again we are अपने आप की creativity को हम मार रहे होते हैं, अपने आप के थॉट्स को हम मार रहे होते हैं, बिकॉज वी आर फिलिंग इट विद पोल्यूशन. एंड अगर आप एक बहुत साफ़ सुथरा एप्पल भी एक गंदे सड़े हुए एप्पल के साथ रख दो, तो वो वाला एप्पल भी बहुत जल्दी ख़राब होएगा जो साफ़ सुथरा था और अच्छा था. सो इट्स दैट काइंड ऑफ एन आइडियोलॉजी. Now let's come to the month of December for you. What is the month of December having? Last month of 2024. I am excited. So let's see. I have the Knight of Cups in reverse. Okay, this is very interesting. I think that someone from your past will come into your life. Someone who still has feelings for you, or someone with whom you have broken up. या फिर आप फ्रेंड्स थे बट आपकी फ्रेंडशिप नहीं चली. दैट पर्सन माइट कम बैक, बट यू नो दिस नाइट ऑफ कप्स इज़ इन रिवर्स. आई डोंट वॉन्ट यू टू एंटरटेन दैट. अगर आप उस चीज़ को एंटरटेन करोगे, देन लुक द टावर, आप अपनी हैप्पीनेस, अपनी मेंटल पीस ख़राब करोगे. In fact, if you entertain these people, it could be multiple people as well. It could be 2 people, it could be 3 people जो आपकी लाइफ में वापस आना चाहते हैं. It will also impact your work, your hard work, your consistency. ये भी हो सकता है that you will meet certain kind of people, or certain people will approach you, but they won't be good. Like अगर फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आपका खुद का बिजनेस है तो लोग आपके पास आएंगे, बट वो हो सकता है कि आप थोड़ा सा ऐसा फील करो कि आई डोंट वांट टू डील विथ यू, व्हाई आर यू कमिंग टू मी, यू आर नॉट द काइंड ऑफ कम्युनिटी दैट आई वांट टू बिल्ड, या फिर मैं आपके साथ काम नहीं करना चाहती, बट यू माइट हैव टू डू द वर्क with them because in the name of your business. 6 of Pentacles, yes, because money will be involved. That could also be possible. Now 6 of Pentacles again. So in December your health might become your priority. Yes, so as I said, आपको शायद कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स डिक्लाइन करने पड़े, कुछ क्लाइंट्स को डिक्लाइन करना पड़े, या फिर जो लोग आपकी लाइफ में वापस आना चाहते हैं, you might have to just completely stop talking to them because those are just not meant for you. Don't be upset about this, because the High Priestess, you are going to be making the right decision by cutting those people off, or declining those clients. Because see, the Magician in reverse. So ये जो भी चीज़ होगी ये Mercury retrograde के वजह से होगी, and this will all get over by 15th of December. So do not worry, it's a good thing that those people are getting out of your way. Now finally, for the month of December, I want to say that there could be some problems with your family, but problems as in some miscommunication could be there. You might also feel that you have to deal with some unnecessary drama, and with the 5 of Pentacles there might be some kind of a financial crisis in your family, but not too much, because I have the 10 of Swords in reverse. So you guys will persevere, but I think that there's going to be inner peace specifically within you. Yeah, the star, you are going to be chilling, and you're going to be thriving, and you're going to be okay no matter what. And you know, in the month of December, you guys might feel a bit lonely because of course winters hai. Some people go through seasonal depression, but lonely in the sense that, okay, I don't have anyone to go through this winter with. But you know, I have the Empress and the 2 of Swords, so there is going to be inner peace. So thank you so much, Sagittarius. That was your reading for the rest of the year. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.